And welcome back. This is the Paracord Weaver, and today we're going to do a quick video on a monkey fist keychain. This is a little bit different design than we normally do. What we did was I have a customer back east, Bob, and he wanted to have a handle with a little 4-strand round braid and an H&K Style clip for his keys. And it's a 1-inch steel ball. So Bob, this is the cord that we're using. It's the reflective black with the gecko green. And we did a single lanyard knot. We still have 4 strands coming out. That's part of the design that he had sent me. And we did the 4-strand round braid into a double lanyard knot. And then the round crown sennet. And here we did a terminal knot. And the reason we did a terminal knot here is so that when we did the man rope knot on the end, that all of our strands were in the center and we could start that knot the way it should be started. And then we did a man rope knot on the end, lacing the H&K Style clip while we created the knot so that it's all tied together. And we did the man rope knot because it ends on the inside underneath, and it's a very clean finish. So Bob, here's the details of the monkey fist that you requested per your designs. And this is the Paracord Weaver, and we'll see you next time.